Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nuts custard. Start by toasting 1 cup mixed nuts, then grind them coarsely and steep in 2 cups warm milk. Whisk 3 eggs with 1/2 cup sugar until smooth, then temper with warm nut milk. Cook slowly over low heat while stirring until thickened, then chill for best texture before serving. Take 1 cup mixed nuts and toast them gently until fragrant, about 5 minutes, watching closely to avoid burning. Allow them to cool briefly, then grind to a coarse paste to keep pleasant texture in the custard. Warm 2 cups of milk and stir in the paste, letting it steep for about 10 minutes to extract flavor, then strain if you prefer a smoother custard base. Warm your nut-infused milk and slowly temper it into the egg and sugar mixture by adding small amounts while whisking. Return the combined mixture to low heat and stir constantly with a wooden spoon or spatula until it thickens and coats the back of the spoon. Remove from heat and stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla or a pinch of cardamom for extra warmth, then cool before chilling to set full.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.